Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can create a muzzle fire effect in Unity. First I will show you how it's look like. Now you see that when I click with my mouse, it will fire a bullet and also show the muzzle effect on the start point of the fire. So this is the simple scene. So let's get started. I will show you how it works. This is the simple gun sprite that I am using. Mm, and this is the start point where we want to instantiate our bullet. I have used a simple game object icon so we can see it. The last thing is the muzzle that is by default hide. This is the simple sprite that I am using for muzzle fight effect. And the bullet, this is the simple bullet prefab that I have created with the simple bullet sprite and the some script on it that I will show you. Now let's go to the script side. This is the simple gun script. I am using simple public game object bullet prefab to instantiate our bullet on runtime, and the start point, public transform start point where we want to instantiate our bullet prefab, and the game object muzzle flash that we use to uh, get active or disable on runtime, and the frame to flash int frame to flash is by default is 1, and I have set the range from 0 to 5. And bool, create a bool variable flashing, and by default I have set it false. In start, simply muzzle flash dot set active is equal to set active false if we it will not uh, unactive, sorry, disable. If it is not disable, then we should have to start in start to set it false. In update method, I am using simple if input dot get mouse button down 0. Then I have call this function shoot bullet. This is the simple function in which I am use void bullet shoot bullet and instantiate bullet prefab that we have created, and the start point where dot position where we want to instantiate our bullet, and the rotation is quaternion dot identity. And the another coroutine that I am using in the function is flash time when we active or disable our muzzle flash. So I have created a bullet bool variable, name it flashing. If it is not flashing, then we should have to call this coroutine and name it denominator flash time. By default, I have when we call this routine muzzle flash dot set active is equal to true. So when we click our mouse, this function is called and instantiate prefab, and after that we should set active our muzzle flash active so it behave like a fire gun flash. So and simple var frame flash is equal to 0 and flashing is equal to true. If we cannot true, then this function is not called. And I am using a simple while loop. While frame flash is less than or equal to frame to flash, then we should increase the frame flash and return the null. Simply frame flash plus plus, and the after that we should return the null, and in last muzzle flash dot set active false, and flashing is also false, so our function is not called again and again. And when we leave our mouse, our muzzle flash will also disable. This is the script that I am using. The second script that is used on our bullet is simple public float speed is equal to 30. That is the bullet speed. And after that, after some time, I am on start destroy game object dot point 5. After 5 seconds, I will destroy the bullet prefab. And in update method, simply transform dot position minus is equal to new vector 3 speed multiplied by time dot delta time and 0, and z component to 0. So this is the by default I am using minus because I want to move my bullet in left direction. If you want to move it in right direction, then you can use the plus sign. So this is the bullet prefab script. Simply save it and go to the script side, Unity editor, and now you see that this is the bullet prefab. Simply drag and drop this bullet, attach the script to gun, and the second is the start point. We should simply give this start point to our gun. And the muzzle flash, this is the simple muzzle flash that we are using to set active or fall. Now let's show you again. Now you see that it will work fine and make a perfect flashing effect on our gun. If you like this video, uh, you can subscribe to my channel and share this video. If you have any question or suggestion, you can leave a comment.